Jeez, my hand's gone. My only disadvantage of demos in your aircraft all the time. All your shit goes missing. Torrance Tower, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, holding short 29 right, full right, crosswind departure.
November 135 Whiskey Tango, Torrance Tower, runway 29 right, cleared for takeoff, follow the Cessna upwind.
Clear for takeoff 29 right, we'll follow the Cessna upwind, thanks, by Whiskey Tango. Oh, you can do it.
Oh, I don't, maybe, either way.
What am I doing?
November 4 Tango, off of your number 3, following the Cessna down ahead to your left, runway 29 right, clear, touch and go.
Clear to touch down the runway 29 right,
November 5, 3,
Alright,
6.
do you do a run up before you go, or just go for it?
Just go for it, yeah.
I'll just go easy over the bump here, and then I'll go full throttle.
Okay.
There's the bump, and airspeed's alive, maintain the center line. And coming up on rotate speed,
landing antenna site.
Number 1404 Whiskey Torrance Tower, report the pit.
Roger.
Notice the trim was down a little bit.
Yeah. All good.
Cessna 60 uniform, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 60 uniform.
Flaps up, we'll throw that in the climb.
Cool.
Okay, that's Torrance Tower, looking up 0104 Whiskey by dial at this time, inbound from St. Thomas Bridge.
November 5 Whiskey Tango, contact Los Angeles Tower 120.905, good day.
Los Angeles Tower 120.95, thanks, by Whiskey Tango.
The last helicopter calling Torrance Tower.
Now switch over. Fullest tank, that's fine, we've got both full tanks. Oh, still got visual on the 757. Finals clear. Did we push start on the GoPro?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Got a good shot of you now.
Wow, it feels warm for some reason.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a little tricky getting speed off, so...
Alright, yeah, it just started bleeding it back a little bit.
So let's go, like, throttle off.
Alright, throttle's all the way back.
And then at some point, when we want to get one notch of flaps, then you just got to pitch up, because otherwise there's no chance of getting down 85.
Got it. Alright, we're getting a little white arc.
United 2023, hold short, runway 25 right at Juliet.
Hold short 25 right at Juliet, United 2023.
You can even pull back harder, that's it.
United 460,
Pull right
continue
back
to the
and
full
then-
length.
Full length, United
You can start dumping flaps now.
Alright, there we go. Flaps one.
Yeah, it's a little different than the two.
Yeah, it's weird. It's like similar but very different, you know?
Yeah.
Get speed, back a little bit more. Came in a little bit high. Once we get a little slower, go flaps 2. Oh, there you go. Yep, flaps 2.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Might even need to go flaps 3.
Yeah, I'll just dump them. There you go.
Delta 558 LHR.
You can even come in 80 or whatever.
Alaska 447, 124012, RNAV Docker, 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, clear for takeoff, 25 right, Alaska 447.
Now, where did they tell us to take a left?
Lima.
Delta 558 reduced
nowhere
to
yet, I
final
don't
approach
think.
speed.
Alright, in here at least.
Delta 558, can you take runway 25 right?
Did you see where you landed at the captain's bars, right?
Yeah.
You see it, yeah.
Delta 558, there's traffic on a 1 mile final for the left. It's a small experimental aircraft. Change to runway 25 right, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Ground 25 right to 558.
Pretty high, but I just wanted to speed up a little bit first.
with you for the left.
It feels so slow coming in here.
Only a couple minutes.
All right, holding short, United 4.
Thank you.
500.
Horizon 2651 LA tower number 2, 124012, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Runway 25 left, clear to land. Horizon Air 2651.
So I'm just going to go a little bit farther right now. Just to make sure we get past her. His wake turbulence. Too low.
We should be pretty good because he landed
Yeah.
quite a long time ago, so.
I guess Sam put the fear in me.
Alaska 447, contact SoCal departure, good day.
That's 447, good day.
Smell of rubber.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, throttle off now, all the way. And then just glide all the way out.
Oh, a little side-loaded.
Alright.
There we go.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Alrighty. Have that map ready. Is it chart or map? Oh, it was map.
It's map.
Yeah, map.
Oh, there it goes.
Man.
I just need to zoom in. She didn't tell us to get off.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, turn left at Golf.
Left the golf, what? 5 Whiskey Tango. Ooh, sorry.
Traffic.
Right, alright.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, turn right on Alpha, then taxi to parking.
Right on Alpha, taxi to parking. 5 Whiskey Tango, thank you for your help.